Xin chào tất cả các bạn, mình là giáo viên Mai Linh của The IELTS Workshop. So today I'm gonna show you a sample on the IELTS Speaking Part 2. And the topic today is about home and accommodation. So now let's get started. I'll depict the location below as being owned by my beloved uncle Long. My family and I always spend the Moon Festival night at my uncle's place, where we would all cook, make mooncakes and have fun together. Because he and my parents are lovely individuals, it has become a custom for us to get together on special occasions. And we are all really very close, especially my brother and my cousins. Uncle Long resides in an opulent 4-story, 600-meter square home, and I have never stood before a dwelling of such colossal proportions. Visitors are greeted at the residence by a lovely gate that is surrounded on either side by numerous flowering plants. And there are 2 dogs on each side of the main hallway when I approach the house. And this is according to the Vietnamese old folks, that the dogs will guard the house against the bad spirits. And the 4-story home is built in the traditional Northern Vietnamese style. The room of my uncle's oldest son is fantastic, even though I haven't had a chance to fully enjoy it because it's so big. And in his room, there are a movie projector, a pool table, video games, darts, and a ton of other entertaining items. Even though the design of the room is more laid back than the rest of the building, the atmosphere here is still amazingly warm and inviting. Everybody at my uncle's house is really welcoming, so I always feel comfortable when I stay there. And my brothers, my cousins and I always enjoy playing in their rooms and playing bowling in the foyer. To be honest, every member in my uncle's family was easier to get to know than I had initially thought as a kid. Actually, all of my family really enjoys our stay at our uncle's. So that is the end of my speaking sample. So thank you for listening. Và đó là toàn bộ sample IELTS Speaking Part 2 của mình. Hy vọng các bạn đã học được thêm nhiều ý tưởng cũng như là từ vựng hay liên quan tới chủ đề này. Again, mình là Mai Linh, giáo viên của The IELTS Workshop. Cảm ơn các bạn đã quan tâm và hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong các video tiếp tới.